besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Savannah if you are new here. If not, then welcome back. I just got off of work, so we're doing a little after work routine. I do not do the same stuff every single day. Sometimes I come home and I immediately want to like do all my chores and stuff that I need to do. And other times I want to come home and shower, and that was today. I was so exhausted. I was so eager to get home, but right now I'm about to do my body lotion and get dressed. In the shower, I use my Natrium face wash. That is like my shower face wash that I use every single time. And I also use the matching Glow Getter body wash by Natrium. I love Natrium. Their skincare, body care, everything is just chef's kiss. It's so good. This is not even sponsored. I just really wanted to put y'all on. This has been my new favorite combo. I put a little bit of the oil as well as the lotion, and then I also use the body wash in the shower. I look so freaking hydrated and just like healthy skin, literally like healthy skin. So if you're looking for glowy skin, try out this little combo. I literally just dropped my entire camera on my head right here. I feel like I'm gonna have the biggest bruise ever. God, I'm just so excited to like kind of lay down and just not have to do anything. I was so freaking late to work today. I didn't get there until like 11:30 and I was supposed to be there by 10:30. So I was like an hour late to work. I did the same thing last Tuesday too, so it's just not been a good 2 Tuesdays in a row for me. My sleep insomnia has just been so crazy, which also take that lightly because I'm not diagnosed that I have sleep insomnia. I just have diagnosed myself. Just because I struggle to go to sleep so much, and it's so frustrating when you literally cannot fall asleep no matter what. But tonight I really wanted to get like an early head start on my sleep, so I'm gonna take like a little melatonin or something. It's 6:30 right now. I'll probably take it around like 7:38, so here within the next hour, so it can kick in pretty fast. I just cannot continue to be late to work because I'm always on time, you guys. I'm literally always on time, but recently I have just not been doing so hot. I did, however, make a ton of money today. I think I ended up making over 100 on a super slow Tuesday. I think there was like an hour or two where we maybe got busy, but other than that, it was pretty chill the entire day. Like there was a lot of downtime where I was like sitting in the back. After I get done doing my skincare, I really just need to do a few little things. Yesterday I was off, so I pretty much did my deep cleaning and all of that yesterday, but I washed my comforter and my sheets and everything, and last night I fell asleep with my comforter still in the dryer. So I need to make my bed. I need to clean out Mama's litter box, just like, you know, scoop up what's in there, and then I do need to feed her as well. I might vacuum.
Lately, I've been going crazy. Think about it, baby. I can make you mine. Take me out on the daily, and if you want ladies, me and my girls outside. So give me up to the morning. Show me if you want me. Tell me how I'm fighting the fight. Building tension up slowly. Never let you get lonely. I'll be here from time to time. Keep me on my toes. Where you wanna go? You can let me know. Let me know, let me know, know. We can take it slow or go with the flow. Baby, let me know. Let me know, let me know, know. You got me wishing, 'cause I am overthinking. If you come around for a while, then I'm with it. Yeah, I have to listen. My heart, my intuition. You make me believe there's more. Maybe I'm just tripping. Either way, I'll give a couple options. We could take our time, but we could lock in. You know I'm regular, so cautious. At this point, it's come around often. 'Cause I'm the type to see it through. I'm trying to see what we can do, and if it's worked, it's me and you. So tell me what's the move. Keep me on my toes. Where you wanna go? You can let me know. Let me know, let me know, know. We can take this slow.
About to make some dinner for me and my mama girl. Don't really have groceries right now, so our options are pretty much either... Actually, you know the fuck what? This is my frozen chicken noodle soup that I made. I made homemade chicken noodle soup at that. That would be so, so good to have, but it's completely frozen. We have soup dumplings, or I could also make a party pizza. I feel like I'm leaning more towards party pizza, but I need to eat these, so I think I'm gonna eat. And then if I'm hungrier later, I'll make a party pizza. We just cut a little hole up in the center right there. Put her in the microwave for 2 minutes. Press start and Nintendo will be served. So I don't know if y'all know or if you follow me on all my other stuff. If you don't, you're missing out. But on my TikTok as well as my Instagram, I posted about these kittens. We actually ended up rescuing some kittens from my job about like a week or two ago. And we've been just kind of nursing the kittens, trying to get them into good shape because they were in really bad shape. I mean, like so extremely dehydrated to where their heads were literally caving in. Their eyes were almost gluing back shut. And these kittens were like a week or 2 weeks old. So their eyes were supposed to already be open, and it looked like they were going blind or like their eyes were infected. It was just really bad. And if you guys know anything about Texas heat, it has been like, I think the other day it was literally 107 degrees outside. And so we just really felt like we needed to save the kittens to our best ability. And we did actually try to go back and capture the mama, but we've had no luck so far. I do see her from time to time up at my job, and I hope that one day I can capture her and get her a loving home as well, because she's a beautiful cat. She gave birth to the beautifulest babies. Like their patterns and colors are so unbelievably pretty. Thinking about keeping the one that we named Gray. She or he, I'm not really sure if it's a girl or a boy yet. It's a gray coating. It almost has like white and gray zebra print on his belly or her belly. And then she has like a cream like nose. Like she has more cream in her face. There are two gray ones. There's one with the more cream in the face, which is gray, and that's the one that I want. And then there's also Smoke, which is just another gray one. Still beautiful color, but she or he does not have as much tan in their face. So I really want to keep Gray, but I'm just kind of debating it because I'm like, ugh, I don't know. And then plus I am going to be getting my own place here soon, so that's another factor. But that's also another reason why I do want to get another cat, because I obviously work and stuff, and yes, Mama's is here with Archie, but they don't get to mingle as much throughout the day. And when I move, which I'll have to do a life update on, like update you on everything, but I'm going to be getting my own place, so I really do want Mama's to have somewhat of a friend to play with, you know, while I'm not there. But I'm still kind of, like I said, debating that. Usually I like to add a little bit of soy sauce or like some extra sauces to my soup dumplings, but today I'm not gonna do that because I just don't feel like it. This is gonna be so hot, I just know it. Ooh, juicy. I got my little sweet tea, Chick-fil-A sweet tea, undefeatable, literally. And then we got our little Trader Joe's soup dumplings. I'm about to go sit my ass on my bed and watch some Vanderpump. Vanderpump has been my new shit recently. Like, I don't know, I really don't have like a pastime. Wait, did I watch the newest episode of The Bachelorette? Wait, it comes out tonight. Okay, well that's what I'm gonna be watching tonight instead of Vanderpump Rules. I just need to expose myself real quick. If anybody knows about this little game, I think it's called like Go something. I'm just playing. It's called Monopoly Go. I'm actually so addicted to this game. I play it every damn day. I'm not even kidding. Look at this. I even have the Sticker Go app that I be like trading stickers with. If you're addicted to Monopoly Go, you need to get it. It's really good. You get free dice and all of that stuff. I'm so close to finishing my albums. I'm at 185 and there's a total of 207 cards. I'm so close, y'all. Like literally look at all my albums that I've finished. I've been playing this game for, I don't know, I'd say like 9 months now or something like that. I think it's actually became like a really bad addiction, but I'm on world 108, or 108 girl, 180. I'm on world 180. Yeah, I think it's an addiction that doesn't hurt anyone. I may or may not have spent over $50 on dice. But you know, some people have gambling addictions, some people have drug addictions. I have a Monopoly Go addiction. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. Honestly, for the rest of this evening, I did not do anything. I laid in my bed and played Monopoly Go because I didn't have really much to do. But some nights I'll edit, do whatever, catch up on things. You know how that goes. But thank you guys so much for joining today's video and watching. Make sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.